Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the most exciting crypto trend of 2025: AI tokens. These are not just coins, they're powering the future of decentralized intelligence. In the next 10 minutes, we'll explore what they are, why they matter, and how you can take your first step. Let's go! What are AI tokens? AI tokens are cryptocurrencies that fuel platforms merging artificial intelligence and blockchain. Think about AI-driven trading bots, secure data marketplaces for machine learning, and decentralized smart contracts that improve themselves. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, these tokens serve real utility in the AI world. Explosive growth. In just a few months, AI tokens have added over $10 billion in market cap, with many jumping 100% plus in a single week. Why? Because real AI agent tech is now proven, and investors are watching closely. Top projects to watch. Here are 4 standout AI token projects in 2025. 1. Bittensor, TAO, Decentralized AI Training Ecosystem. Market leader. 2. Fetch.ai, FNI, Autonomous Agent Network Connecting/Optimizing Real-World Services. 3. RNDR, GPU Marketplace Fueling Graphics and AI Computing. 4. RNDR Protocol, Scalable, sharded blockchain for real-time AI use. Why it matters. So why do AI tokens matter? Data plus intelligence, they secure and reward AI data sharing and model training. Automation, they power AI agents like bots that optimize your investments. Tokenization of AI outputs, in essence, they're empowering every AI-powered action with rewards. Take action. Want to ride this wave? Start here. Follow official project channels and read updates. Pick 1 to 2 tokens and do tiny test trades. Stake or join community learning groups. Share your journey on socials to build credibility. Remember, motion beats hesitation, be early but smart. Risks and mindset. Important mindset tips. Crypto is volatile, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Always DYOR, read white paper, check teams, tokenomics. Diversify, balance AI tokens with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even stablecoins. Stay disciplined, set entry and exit plans. Call to action. That wraps our deep dive into AI tokens, the next frontier in crypto. If this inspired you, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Which AI token are you most excited about? Catch you next time.